Hello Scorpios, this is your monthly forecast for the month of August 2016. I'm Beata from horoscopesandthereadings.com. As usually, I have divided this forecast into two main categories. First is love and second one is career and finances. Well, I have to say that you have great months ahead this August. Yes, so let's get started with Scorpios. When it comes to love matters, and in case you are single, I have great news for you because this really can be that time that you will meet that person you are looking for. Yes, if you meet someone, it will feel for you like you have met your soulmate. Yes, your partner will be most likely very romantic and he will appear to you like prince or princess. Yes, if you are already in relationship, this is also a very nice time because you will enjoy each other's company, and your partner will show you his love very much, so you will feel loved, adored, and during this whole month you will feel like your partner is here to fulfill all your wishes. Yes, so you can use it for your advantage actually. When it comes to your career life, there will be great chances for you from 5th to 17th of August. So if you have something you want to change in your job, or you want to improve in your job, or actually if you want to find a new job, try to do it during these specific days. Yes, even if you are satisfied in your job, you will feel there even better. Maybe your boss will praise you or things like that. Okay, when it comes to your finances, this will also be very good for you. You may get some support from your loved ones or from your family, which will be very nice and kind, and it will be, kind of surprise for you. I would put it like this. I have to say that your forecast for Scorpio is best from all zodiac signs for this month. So I hope that you can enjoy this month because it really looks good for you. Yes. So I'm done with this short video, but I would like to remind you that what I'm doing here in these videos is very general forecast based only on your sun sign, but we are more than our sun sign. So if you want to reveal your future for you, which will be all about you, and it will be based on your data and on your time of birth, just check my website because I can prepare for you specific horoscope about you and your future. So I'm done here. Have a nice day and bye bye.